Good morning, everybody. It is time for a repot. My beautiful ficus here, or rubber tree plant, is growing very well, but the pot it's in is too small. So even though it's June, it's time for a repot. So I'm going to take this outside, and I have a much bigger pot to put it in. He's outside now, and I normally wouldn't repot at this time of year. It's June in Sydney, which is coming into winter, but this guy's drying out every few days, and his leaves are beginning to yellow a little bit, and I'm losing some leaves down the bottom. So I think it's time for a repot, some fresh potting soil, fresh mix, and a nice big pot for him here. I've got this Eden pot right here, which is a 38 centimeter pot. So don't know what that is in inches, but it's a much bigger pot, and that will do him for the next year or so. Once he reaches the ceiling, which won't be too long, I will do some air layering and take some cuttings from him and grow some more of him, because he's very pretty and he's doing very well. Anyway, I will put you on a tripod now and get to repotting. So first things first, let's just get him up, and then we'll kick the bottom pot off if we can. Okay. Now, I thought we might have this problem. So it looks, yeah. So I might be going to make a mess here, because I'm going to try and get him out of this pot. No, here we go. He's coming out. So got a really nice, good root system. Just needs a slightly bigger pot. So this one will work perfectly. There we go. Right, now we are just going to, if I can get this up, there we go. We're going to use some cocoa chips. So this is reconstituted from a great big block of chips, and it's cocoa chips and fiber. And I'm just going to pack this around the sides here. And I have actually got some mix in the bottom as well. It's just old mix that I had left over from other potting up other things. So let's just move it around. It's quite heavy. A little bit of actual potting mix in. All right, now we'll just give him a whole bucket of water, and that is it. He will be done. Let's clean up here a little bit. Let him soak that up. Put him back inside. Okay, so this is what the ficus elastica burgundy looks like after its repot. Looking very healthy. That pot should do it quite well for the next number of months, leading into spring and summer, and possibly into next year. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.